to print borderless in MS Word. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily print a borderless file from your MS Word. So first thing, just head over to your Microsoft Word and make sure you have the file ready, whichever file which you want to print. So now all you have to do is just click on this file button at the top left corner and click on this print button, and as you can see, just make sure you have enabled or make sure you have made your printer ready to print it. So just click on this printer properties from over here. So now here's the important part, that is most of the printer may or may not support the settings. So basically it depends upon the printer wise, and the settings may vary accordingly with this different printers. So if you have a different printer, or if your printer shows the options that is like a borderless printing over here under the additional settings, then you can simply tap on that borderless printing and you can start printing. But if it's not showing, as you can see in my case it's not being shown, so what you can do instead is just come back over here and just click on this normal margin, and make sure you can also try it for the narrow margin. And as you can see, my border is a little bit narrowed, but you can still see that it's not completely borderless yet. So I'll just click on this once again over here and just click on custom margin. So you can also make sure you enabled or select all of these to 0. So let me just quickly do that. Once I do all of that, I'll just click on apply, and as you can see, the border has been completely wiped, and this is now the complete borderless version of my file. So you also have to keep in mind that some of the printer may or may not support or may not completely print out all of these like this in this format. So once you confirm that, you can easily print it with the borderless file. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.